Their small blackheads seem to be the most stubborn farm pimples. As much as I tried to smoke, squeeze and pour, they always seem to return. I tried all sorts of creams, peels and masks, but also nothing worked until I looked to the kitchen and found a number of remedies that finally got rid of my blackheads. Blackheads are small bumps on hair follicles. They are dark surface caused by blackheads are an unwanted sight for anyone striving to have a clear complexion. Blackheads proved to be effective in removing blackheads. At the same time, it moisturizes and soothes the skin. Apply raw honey to a clean, dry face and let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse off that warm water. Honey can be used on the skin daily. Step 2. Egg white and honey. Egg white and honey mask is a great way to get rid of blackheads. The mixture can be applied all over the face. Leave it on your face until the skin starts to feel tight. Rinse off the mask with warm water. Not only will the mixture removing blackheads, but it will also leave your skin with a glow. Next, lemon juice. Lemon juice removes dead skin cells, and because it is a natural strength, it also gets rid of blackheads. Before going to bed, use cotton wool to apply fresh lemon juice to clean skin. Concentrating on the blackhead area, you can leave this overnight and rinse it off in the morning with warm water. Repeat this every night for a week. Caution is needed when causing lemon juice as it can dry your skin. If you have dry skin, add olive oil to the lemon juice and make sure to use a moisturizer once you have rinsed it off. Baking soda. Baking soda is a scrub simple way to get rid of blackheads. Add a few drops of water to baking soda. Use gentle motion to scrub it into the affected area. Wash your face with warm water. Baking soda not only dries out blackheads but it also brightens the skin. You are not drinking this green tea. You are putting it on your face. Green tea can help decrease your skin's oil production and works as a great antioxidant. Mix 1 teaspoon of a dry green tea leaves with 1 teaspoon of water and massage it onto the affected areas for 3 minutes. Rinse it off, apply a moisturizer. This treatment can be used 2 or 3 days a week. Coconut oil and sugar scrub. While blackheads on your chin and around your mouth are common, blackheads can occur on your body too. Exfoliating your skin and get rid of dead skin cells can help save whitening. She recommends mixing coconut oil and sugar to make do-it-yourself body scrub.